shattering the silence. We're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes, we're still survivors. The dreamers,
now for a lesson. You may have heard these words before, but I'll teach you what they really mean. Go beyond!
Now, it's your turn.